Hello everyone, today's tutorial is going to be really easy but really fun too, so you're really going to enjoy the process and start making money instantly, just like this amount right here. I'm going to explain to you step by step, so make sure to follow me till the end of the video so you won't miss out the crucial parts. But before starting, I want to remind all of you to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. The website that I'm going to show you today is going to pay you in autopilot instantly to your PayPal account and is available worldwide. For step number 1, you will need to head over this website called Yazing.com. This is a platform that pays you for every purchase you make and influence online. So they pay you cashback rewards on everything you buy online, and provides the current deals and coupon code. But you're not going to invest any money here. You'll start for free, and you'll do so by influencing those sales online. So you get paid to promote any brand's deals or coupon page with others. And you'll get paid fast. So Yazing sends your money directly to your PayPal account as soon as they are paid by the brands and stores. Some of the brands that they work with, such as Walmart, eBags, Bark and Box, Dell, gift cards, etc. But let me show you how you're going to make money by using Yazing.com every single day. So first of all, you have to click on join now. After that, you're going to create an account for absolutely free. Just put a unique username, your email, a password, confirm your password, and then register. Also, you can join with Facebook, which is more easier and faster. After you're signed up for absolutely free, you'll get access to a lot of offers which you're going to promote and make money. There are over 3,000 brands that you can promote. All you need to do is to select an offer that you like. As you can see, you can get paid up to 35% cash reward. Every offer has its own cash reward. So all you need to do is to select an offer that you like, click on promote to earn, and then you have to copy your referral link. And every time someone uses your referral link, you will get paid. And you can get your referral link with just one click, so you don't have to wait or to fill in complicated and long forms. But the offer that I've chosen today as an example is the Bark Box offer. As you can see right here, they pay you $18 per each referral. So just click on promote to earn and get the referral link here. And whenever someone clicks on it and signs up on BarkBox, you'll make $18. Now we will have to find people such as dog owners that they can benefit from the dog website BarkBox, which offers a lot of stuff for dogs. But before this, we have to go to this website right here, which is called Pexel.com. This is a platform that you can find millions of different stock photos and videos and use them free of charge because they have no copyright on them. You can go on the search bar and search for dog photos or for puppy photos, and you'll get thousands of copyright-free photos as results. Just select the one that you like the most, for example this one right here, and then click on download. You will download them for free, as you can see, and also you'll get full license to do whatever you want with these photos. So just download as many as you want. And as you see, this is gonna be a really fun process because all these dogs photos here are really cute. The other step that you're gonna do is to go on Instagram and create an account for free, and then create a page all around dogs and start posting the copyright-free dogs photos that you got on Pexel. You have to create a unique username related to dogs, create a nice bio, and also in your bio you have to put your referral link that takes people to barkbox.com. Then search for dog pages at the search bar, such as this one right here, Dogs Lovers. Go on their followers and follow as many people as you want, so you'll attract targeted people on your account and on your page. you can promote your bark box referral link. So just find as many people as possible, follow them so they can follow you back, and they are likely to follow you back because they have followed all these dogs web accounts. Search for other dogs account and find as many people as possible which are likely to click on your referral link, sign up so you can get $18 every time someone signs up on your link. So you can build a real and sustainable online business from this, because it's gonna take you like 10 minutes a day to just post cute photos of dogs and then follow a bunch of people that follow dog accounts. But it gonna take you some time to grow your online business, but it definitely gonna pay off at the end. But also, if you don't want to build your pages yourself, you can use this platform right here called shotcart.com. Here you can buy cheap shoutouts from big influencers. Just register for free, click here on this button and sign up as a brand. Once you created your account, click on Browse Influencers, and then on the left side right here on Influencer Channel, unselect TikTok, Facebook, YouTube and Twitter, because we want only Instagram accounts. And then on the categories, which are a lot of them, unselect them all and just find those with animals or dogs. For example, animals right here. Find dogs, puppies, and select them all. So you have to find accounts that are related to dogs. And right here you find all these dog pages. The shout-out are like 10 to 15 bucks, as you can see. For $10 you can be advertised on a page that has over 500,000 followers. And you just need, for example, like 27 sign-ups on your referral link to make $500. And even if you just get 50 people to sign up to your referral link, you will make $900. And this is a passive income because you don't have to do any of the work yourself. And after growing your page, it's gonna be easier for you to make money. So all you needed to do was to create an Instagram account, to follow as many targeted people as possible, then to go on the Yazing.com platform to get the referral link from the brand that you want to promote, then to go on the Pexel.com website and to get a lot of free stock photos which were copyright free, to get them and to post on your Instagram account. And then if you wanted to grow more your Instagram account, you could go on shoutcart.com and you can be advertised by the big influencers here for cheap shoutouts. So if you liked today's video, make sure to give a thumbs up, to leave a comment down below, and also to support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching.